Did I say about him? My God is love. And I know my God is love. I know my God is love. This is enough to know my God is love. I know my God is love. I know my God is love. And this is enough to know my God is love. I know my God is love. I know my God is love. And this is enough to know my God is love. I know my God is love. I know my God is love. This is enough to know my God is.
Hi guys, so for today's video, I have 34 PT. Ano ko ganina, ano lang, 20. And then, digawas ko, kaya nahadlo ko sa aftershocks. Nga, nag-pray ko. Nga, karon ako, ganahan ko na mo-join sa world sa ako ang very, very lovable baby. My love of my life, charot. And before that, I wanna go sa Asamandere, I guess. Naman yata ng lair ni Flins. Flins! Are you here? Wait lang, para ma-sure, I think I need to collect some of these. Ano ko lang, feel ko lang, kailangan ko mag-collect. While waiting, kasi wala pa si baby. Wala pang baby ko. And nag-ulan, karon. Oh my gosh. Lord, galit ka ba sa akin? Tawarin niyo po ako. Ayun, so let me find the flowers. I don't know if this is it because this is not a gravestone. Elena? Oh no, this is the Nandito na ba? Ang tagal. Wala pa. Siguro mag-shatra na siya. Ikaw na. So, let me just... Hi. What is this? I'm confused. We don't tell me nasa taas. No. Oh, it's so high. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh yes. Okay, nandito siya. Tulak lang ko. So, ritual lang siya. And para for good measure, I think I'm gonna change my party. My party to Nodcry. Wala ko Nodcry characters. And I don't know the story yet. So, I guess, si Bibiron. Gusto ko man. Gusto ko man ako i-add dali. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Sige, fine. Ito na lang. At saka, I'm a damsel in distress. So, yeah.
This world is full of unsolved mysteries.
Ayan. Kaya pala, man. I hope that you will call Flins para ma-early. Because I want his weapon. Wait, wala kong ano. There's more. Ayun, nandun. Come on. I need this. I need these. sa komentaryo, hindi ko nagdugo-dugo pa. There's a lot. Yeah. Finally, na si Mikay. It's time. Agkata sa graveyard. Hehe. We need to go to the graveyard. Not cry. I don't know where it is. Final Night Cemetery? Okay. Mabalik lang ko guys. Mag-ano sa amin ni Mikay. Okay, bye! Okay guys, so nandito na kami. Nandito na si Lumin. So, I hope that when I, you know, he will come home with me. So, katulad na niya siya actually. May tangsunod. Wait, ano na siya? Oh my gosh, pila na? I can't remember. Pila na akong pipi, I don't know. Help me, please early. Please, anong ginagawa mo? Bakit ka nila matagal? There's a damsel in distress. Come on, I want your weapon, baya. Please. This is the time. It turns gold. Oh my gosh. Ano pa, hard pity man jud ko nimo. Guaranteed man ko. Please. Ano, hard pity man ko. Sukros. Ay, anong mani, oy. Kapila na ni. $30 na to. Puros pa jud codex. What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Hard pity man ko nimo oy. At least give me copy. C1? Oh my gosh, Dory. Hi, Flins. I'm not happy right now. I'm not. Hindi ka umuwi ng early. Ewan ko. Ewan ko sa'yo. Oh my gosh. Why? Why did you do this to me? I don't know. Okay. Finish siya. Please, all I want. I need to grind pa-mix. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my mind. Oh my gosh, why? Yun lang. Hindi ko alam. Well, oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know what to feel. Gihurot niya ako premos
Someone told you the masters of the Nightwing is a trap.
before siya niuli.
This is the